thì subject meeting bằng lấy đúng bằng chuyện của mình ta xin lấy đúng mà korban hoặc cái pin bên là bằng tôi chúng ta mà bằng lòng là phải lấy cái gì bằng cái chuyện này được
मुझे इतनी के बैंक पर चाहते हैं यार तो
So right back you on, ladies and gentlemen. After a short while, we are going to have a subject meeting for the 23 edition of the General Cover Youth Festival. So I request all the units, presidents and secretary to convene your members to present in this subject meet. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, today is the 29th of September 2025. Today is the first day of the 23 editions of the Hobby Youth Festival. So I request to all the units coming from various areas, all the presidents and secretary to convene your members to be on this subject meet, because the subject meeting is about to commence. So I request all the presidents and secretary coming from various units to convene or to present on this subject meet. Hello, hello, check.